Hello, everyone, and welcome to Atlanta Phoenix Guard Reviews. I am TechNec, and today I'm reviewing the Meletrix BOOG75 keyboard. So you're asking yourself, what makes this click-clackier keyboard clickier, clickin' clacker cloaca clacker clicky clackier than the rest? Well, if you've heard of Wooting 60HE or a Polar 65, this is in the same area of use case. It's a magnetic Hall effect switch. Specifically, this keyboard uses Gateron KS37 switches. Wow, that's a lot of words. Please tell me why I care at all. Well, simply put, the actuation of the switch. AKA, you press the button do thing on monitor is lower and quicker, and release the button, also known as button no longer do thing. Long story short, the latency of the keyboard is lower, so press button, make thing happen quicker, give big advantage in video game. Short story long, the Hall effect is a production of a potential difference across an electrical conductor that is transverse to an electrical current in the conductor and to an applied magnetic field perpendicular to the current. It was discovered by Sir Edwin Hall in 1879. The even better part is, without any software, the actuation, which is again, press key, thing happen, let go of key, thing not happen anymore, are completely adjustable and can be changed via hotkeys that are on a list that they provide you in the keyboard when it's delivered to you. There's also an online software, so no physical software that needs to be installed on the computer. You simply pull up the website, boog75.meletrix.com, connect the keyboard through the browser, and everything from actuation to release to the RGB lighting, because yes, there's RGB lighting, can be completely adjusted within that online software. No download, no resources being taken up anyway. I currently run mine at make stroke 1 millimeter, which is the press, and break stroke 0.1 millimeter. This means it takes the smallest touch to make the key do what I need it to do, and upon release, it instantly stops. Wow, I still don't understand this at all. Why is this helpful? Well, here's a comparison of AD strafing on a normal keyboard. And here's AD strafing on the BOOG75. Does it make more sense now? Still not impressed by it? Well, here's a sound test.
Nice.
This thing sounds incredible. There's no scratchiness. It's just a clean, gorgeous thump. Just that thick thump noise to it that everybody wants and everybody is in love with. If you told me this was a $500 custom build, I would completely believe you. I don't understand how they made a Hall effect switch sound this good. And that's nothing against looting. It's nothing against Polar 65. It's just this thing is blowing people out of the water. Where does this compare directly? The looting does have a lower price point of around $175, but the sound quality in comparison between the two isn't even close. Even when people take their Wooting 60HEs and they recase them, they tape mod, foam mod, top to bottom, it still doesn't equal this sound, and that's more work and more money. And the design of this keyboard alone, I mean, look at this thing aesthetically. They call it induction coil. I like it because I think it looks like wood grain. Just look at that panel on the back, all metal. It is gorgeous. I mean, look at the keycap. You have a blushing teddy bear for the escape key. I think I haven't pressed it. It has an equal possible chance of summoning a tsundere bear to my house, and I don't really want that for my child. I've been using this keyboard for around 3 weeks since the time of this recording, and there's no possibility of me wanting to switch to anything else. I'm a gear snob. I mean, look at all these mice. It's like this is a problem. This is a sickness. Get over here, Samsung Galaxy. But like, there's more in the drawer. This is just what's on my desk. Like, I don't know how to better explain to you how impressive this is. Finding that in-game is something everyone strives for. And this keyboard has made that choice and that trouble so easily fixable. I frankly can't believe it was this simple to just, this is the answer for me. This keyboard weighs 9 pounds. If I have a home intruder, this thing is getting whacked over their head. And I think the keyboard will still be usable. And the deep, loving, just these engravings on the bottom of it make incredible raceways for your, Ant Farm's tiny, adorable Hot Wheels collection. Jokes aside, how much does this cost? It's a price point of $230. So this costs roughly more than $60 more than a Wooting 60HE. If you're already spending $175 on a keyboard, go ahead and spend the extra $60 and get this, because if you like the Wooting enough, you're probably going to want to do what everybody does, is recase it, make it look more like a keyboard such as this. This thing has everything. When somebody comes over to your house and looks at your setup, they're not going to be like, oh my God, look at that ugly gamer keyboard they got sitting on their desk. That's vile. They're going to be like, wow, this guy makes his own screenplays. Am I in the house of Lin-Manuel Miranda himself? I don't know how to express anymore to just, if you are in the market for a new keyboard and your budget is up there, this is it. I don't know what more I have to say. You could just this thing is still quiet enough that you could take it to an office environment and nobody's going to be mad at you for the machine gun fire that is your scratchy $20 Red Dragon keyboard. The Meletrix BOOG75 HE, price point of around $230. Go get you one. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with another review. Thank you very much.